Hello and welcome to a Whimsy Stamps product reveal. I am sharing the new 4x6 clear stamp set called Rat Attack. There are 3 images. They measure from 3.5 inches wide to the tallest at 2.5 inches. They are different rat images as well as one rat with a bat. And there are 4 different sentiment stamps included. There is Sorry I Was Such a Rat, Cheddar Luck Next Time, Aw Rats, or Trick or Squeak. So you can definitely use this stamp set here during this Halloween season. I'm coloring in my little rat with his little cheddar outfit because I wanted to show you what these images look like while they're colored in, and I'm going to use this image on a card example. So I'm just using some alcohol markers and coloring in this cute little rat with his little cheese costume, or maybe it's a real piece of cheese and he's just stuck in it from trying to snack on it. And I use it on this Hugs and Cheeses card. We hope you like this new stamp set and you check out all of the amazing new products released today. Use those links in the description to make this card yourself or to check out all of the new Whimsy Stamps releases today. Join us on Instagram, Pinterest, and our Facebook group for even more inspiration. Bye!